Okay, here we go. This is 2848 Property B floor sanding project. So check this out. So here is just like some glimpses of the floor, the sander that I'm going to be using. The sandpaper from, I think the first one I'm going to start off with is what, 24 grit. So, and then I'll step it on down to, I think this one's what, I think I got one that's, it's like 120 grit. Right there, so, but anyway, we'll just kind of walk through the house. Kind of take a look at the floor. I mean, there's some pretty major areas, like right there. Some boards had to be replaced, like this whole back hallway here. I replaced all that and put it all back in there new. Some pieces right here, and then there was actually a vent that was right in this area. I've got pictures of it, how I had it all kind of staggered out, broken down. I could probably do something like that. Check it out at the end of this video, but anyway. So this is just the floor. Some pieces replaced over there, right here, and then it steps down into the particle board, flooring, subfloor. Alright, so we'll come back out here and go into this room. That hall. This room isn't too bad. So, but anyway, got some work to do. And then it goes into the kitchen, bath, now back here, this room here. This room should be pretty easy to do. I just need to get in here and clean it up. So, it is about 10 to 7 a.m. Monday morning, so I'll talk to you guys later.